Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Somniac, here to bring you everything crypto related, where the rich never sleep. Now, what are we talking about today? We're going to be talking about this, Metropolis and Ethereum. And Metropolis is really the next scheduled hard fork in Ethereum. This is the third of four major stages in the Ethereum protocol. We are currently in the homestead phase, which was released around, I think it was March of 2016 last year, so almost a year ago, a little bit more than that. And for those of you who followed Ethereum, then we all know what happened to the price. Now, Metropolis doesn't have a scheduled date yet. It's going to be sometime around the end of August, beginning of September. So if you're watching this video and we're still a couple weeks out, you came to the right place, because now is a good time to get into Ethereum, in my opinion. What is Metropolis and what is it going to bring to Ethereum? Well, the biggest thing is called contract abstraction, and that's going to allow basically receivers of Ethereum to pay for your gas. Right now, when you send a transaction out on the Ethereum network, you have to pay for gas. And what this is going to allow dApp developers to do is basically make a contract that can pay for your gas, so that you can start interacting with the Ethereum community immediately. You don't have to pay for gas or worry about that. There's going to be a simplification made, a lot of simplifications made to the Ethereum protocol, and that will allow people to be more hands-on with the technology. They're also going to improve anonymization during Metropolis, and that's going to be a result of basically the gas structure and how they're restructuring that. And so there's going to be a lot of tweaks. We've got a lot of good things coming, and I think that's going to affect the price, like we saw during the last hard fork. And just taking a look at where we are now, doing a Fibonacci retracement, if we pull this out a little bit further, I would say we're in a great time to buy Ethereum. We are in a downward trend. We saw some support a couple weeks ago, or a week or so ago, in that 250-ish level. We're sort of sitting in this $260, $270 support level. And it looks like if we continue on a sort of downtrend, we'd have a lot of levels of support. There looks like there's one here, sort of around that $250-ish mark. There's another one down here, another one here. I think we have a lot of good support levels to fall back on if we sort of start to dip. I don't see Ethereum really going much past 200. I honestly don't even see it hitting there again. Again, Metropolis is only a couple weeks away, a month or two, and it's a little early now, so it's a great thing if you're watching this video. I think you have time to react to this news. And like always, guys, buy the rumor, sell the news. So get into Ethereum now before Metropolis comes out, and then sell it later on. I think we will soon reach back these all-time highs. I think we'll test the 420 level as we get closer and closer and approach Metropolis. Right now, we are sort of in a sideways trend, which I think is good. It's a healthy thing. It shows that we can maintain these levels. Basically, the further we get from these old levels, the less they have an impact, the less that they truly are the actual support level. So the longer we can hold above these marks, the better. And right now, there's a lot of uncertainty in Bitcoin with the SegWit coming up, and whether or not they're going to implement that come August 1st. And the market's a little uncertain right now, and I think that's okay. That's a good thing. I think that gives you time to get in and buy now, after we've seen this downward trend. So keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on Ethereum. If you're not comfortable buying in at these prices, perhaps wait till it gets down to the 250 mark. I'm not certain that it will again. But I think if you're thinking in the 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 month hold strategy and aren't looking to flip this overnight, I think you could easily double your gains right now. I think we could see $250 Ethereum or we're close to that. I think you could see that turn into $500 come, I don't know, the end of September. So keep an eye on this. I also want to talk about Ripple. So if I load this chart up, I had a video out here last week telling people to queue at this price, and we have really consolidated a lot. Doing a Fibonacci retracement back on the big spike we saw earlier in May, we can see that we are in that 60, that sweet spot, really, that 60 to 70% retracement levels. And honestly, I don't think there is a bet. I put the Q price down here if you want to be a little greedy and you want to try and really hit at the bottom there. It doesn't look like we've hit that since I released that video, but we are really close, and this is getting really tight here. And all that means is it's getting ready to do something. It's getting ready to explode, in my opinion. I think we're going to see shoot past this 40-cent mark, which was around this high here of 20,000 satoshis. I think there's I think I mentioned it in my old video. You can refer back to it, but June isn't a big month for banks. There's a lot of people getting back from vacation. We had the 4th of July here in America, which was a really pivotal point, I think, in cryptocurrency. We had a lot going on. We have, as I mentioned, SegWit coming up. We have Litecoin with some special announcement coming out of MIT on August 1st. We have Ethereum and Ant shares out here. We got a lot of stuff going on. So I think it's normal to see some of this consolidation, which I think is healthy, but I think we're getting really close to a bullish run here. A lot of things on this chart indicate that we're due for a breakout, and there's some important meetings coming up in the month of July. I think Ripple's got the community split. I'm on the positive end of Ripple. I think Ripple is fantastic. It's a currency. Some people say it's a decentralized currency, which is being controlled by banks, which are essentially centralized. But that's why we have different coins, different projects. We have different use cases for them, and I think there is a great use case for this, even if it's not quote unquote decentralized. It is. If banks are looking to partner with it and use it, then why shouldn't you? You can make a quick buck off this. You can make some money off this. If organizations and major banks are partnering with this, JP Morgan, etc., you look at them. They're doing something right. So I don't think it's too late to get in on Ripple. In fact, I think it's a great time to buy. I think you're going to see a bullish run here in the next few weeks. So keep your eye on this. And in the meantime, I encourage you guys to, I just started a Instagram page called Cryptosomniac. If you like what I've been putting out, please follow my Instagram. Be having a lot of pictures and charts up here, and just another channel for you guys to keep up to date with stuff I put out. Also, it has live stories. So what I can do is I can start basically interacting with you guys via the live story in Instagram and get more of a live, up-to-date opinions and views, at least my opinions and views on what the market's doing, where it's heading, because these videos take a little bit to put together. Sometimes I'll make them at night and render them overnight, and then I'll get them out to you guys live the next day. So follow my Instagram my Instagram, and you'll be able to stay up to date with me on all of that kind of stuff. Additionally, if you haven't liked or subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. I'm going to be making these videos every day. Please share them with your friends. I just want to help spread the knowledge. Remember, the rich never sleep. So we got a lot of great content, spreading a lot of knowledge here, working on a cryptocurrency course for you guys that you can enroll in. Make sure you are protecting your hard-earned money with either a hardware wallet or an offline wallet. The best wallet in my opinion, is the Nano Ledger S. I got a link to that below in my description. And I think that's going to do it for today, guys. And as always, I love sharing this content with you guys. Donations are happily accepted. I'm doing this for free for you guys, because I love spreading the knowledge, and every little bit helps to be able to maintain this channel, keep up the equipment, and improve these videos for you guys. I spend a lot of time. I spend 7, 8, 9, 10 hours a day in these charts, looking this stuff up, and I think that's going to do it. So thank you guys for watching, and have a fantastic day.